Is there a key? I don't know. You can end up, I don't think she's gonna start. All that goodness. But look at the size of the tailpipes. It's not a crate engine, it's a box engine. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike, we are back at, yep, you know the facility. When you see the huge storage tanks, you know, I'm at Copart. Yeah, and look at all of the cars and trucks that they have here. They have so many. I wouldn't even, 1,000? I don't know. I really don't know. But today we're gonna check out some of the coolest, and I think we're gonna start with a beautiful Boxster. Here she is. Look at that. Beautiful Boxster in black. She is just stunning. This is from 2010. Okay, what kind of tires do we have here? We have Michelin Pilot with a little bit of tread. We have the Pilot Alpine. Yep, so these are matching tires, I'm guessing. We'll get to the damage. All of that to cover up a window that hasn't gone up. Okay, here we have the same Pilot, and then we have another Michelin Pilot right there. So all of this is just to protect this that has come down. Oh, whoa, that water almost got onto me. Okay, so yeah, let's just kind of leave it like that. Let the water drain out. I don't know why the window won't go up. Is there a key? I don't know. Do you like the Boxster? I don't know. I do. When I was going through my midlife crisis, I had one. If we're being honest. Yeah, absolutely. I was living in Atlanta, doing the morning show at the CBS station there. And I got one of these. And I got it for very little money because, you know, they're not super expensive because they're kind of the low one on the totem pole. But this is cool. They're fun cars. They drive differently, going around the curves and stuff. You can feel the back kind of coming out, so you don't want to let off the gas when you're making a curve on the highway or the on-ramp or off-ramp or something, because the back will get away from you. And if it's really, really slippery and you hit the gas real hard at a stoplight, you can end up, which is what I did for mine. And then the wheels were all going 4 different ways. This is nice though. I don't know. We'll just have to see what happens, okay? I don't think there's any power. Let's just see. Yeah, there's nothing. She's got nothing right there, but the interior is really, really nice. Okay, I think we're starting to see flood vehicles. Oh, here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Look at this. All right, look at all of that. All that goodness. That's corrosion. That's bad. That is really, 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 really bad. That's why she's not starting. That's why you can't put the window up or anything. This is another good place to check for water damage, especially salt damage. So we'll just have to leave this like it was. And it's even still kind of wet under there. How long ago were the hurricanes? Yeah, that's a problem. That is really, really messy. So we're just gonna walk away. I'm sorry. You were a beautiful car back in the day. And I can't even see with the lost type, the way that it's kind of cut off right here. It's not visible. I could go on the auction site, on the app, and look very, very quickly. But we're gonna walk away, all right? We're gonna find something else. So thank you, nice to meet you. Well, we're gonna move on and find somebody prettier. Well, did I find something prettier? I don't know if it's prettier. It's sporty. It is really sporty. This is a 2017 Subaru, as you can see, WRX, with a huge tail on the back of her. The lost type, unknown, once again. A little scratching on the wheel right there. Look at that. Whoa, this is incredible. You even have this little spoiler too. You have the diffuser on the, look at the size of the tailpipes. Those are humongous. Yeah, she's got lots of go fast stuff on her. All the way around, all 4 corners. This seems to be a little close to, oops. Well, okay, that could be a problem. I think that might be a pipe for your turbo, maybe. Oh my goodness. I like this. I really do. There's a lot of tread on the tires. What does the inside look like? I really can't see because it's so tinted. Uh-oh. Well, I don't think she's gonna start. You got a whole, looks like almost a whole engine right here. Look at all this. Wow. So, it's not a crate engine, it's a box engine. Look at, oh. Look at the go fast steering wheel too. And the shifter. And what is this? What is this? I don't know. It's a little poker. It's an air speeder. That's kind of cool. Just like a little... Nice. We'll put that in here. Okay. And let's just see what the steering wheel is all about, because this is something here. Look at that. That's really cool. You got a nice little driver cover. Okay. So this guy played golf. Nice, nice, nice. He was very short though. Or her. I'm not, you know, it could be a girl's car. Let's just see how much is missing under the hood. Here we go. Oh, well, yep. The whole engine is in the back seat. No wonder this little air intake was almost hitting the tire. There's nothing on the other side of it. So this is a, wow. So if you do want a WRX and you want a good deal, you're gonna have to be handy because you're gonna have to reassemble the whole engine. That is crazy. Look at the transmission though. Nice. Very, very cool. Lots of little Go Fast stickers. Motul lubricants. Okay. I don't know why that is white. I don't know why this is white. It just makes it, maybe it's just to make it look sporty. Wow. All right. Well, we're striking out. We're not doing very well. Let's see what's, oh, look at this. Here's the bottom half of your engine. And your heads, everything. Oh my goodness. There's your head gasket, or part of it is broken into. Your whole engine is right here. It is. How heavy is it? Ugh, yeah, that's pretty heavy. Okay, well, it's like the Lego car. You buy it, you got to put it together. And I don't want to. So we're just going to keep on walking. But what a cool car this was. Red and black with those Oz racing wheels. Very nice. What do I say when I see a pretty girl with 4 wheels that are shiny? Hello, gorgeous. Look at this lovely Lexus SC. Whoa, this is beautiful. What is this one? An 02 SC430. Look at the shoes. Look at the wheels. Look at how nice and shiny they are. That is cool. I'm worried though because I'm seeing lots of condensation. So let me put my Coca-Cola down and my travel bag. And let's just see what this car is all about. The lost type is going to be probably unknown. Let's see. Yeah, lost type is unknown. But look at all of the condensation right there. Do you have power, my pretty? Let's see. Oh, silver over black. I love this though. I really, really do. We do have some mold. So this is, yeah, this is mold. See how it's coming off on my hands? Absolutely. I'm not afraid of it though. I mean, it's a salt water. I guarantee you. It certainly has a smell. It absolutely has a smell. Let's just see if we can get the, oh, even up under the dash is wet. Okay. Well, where's the hood pull? Here she is. Let's see if we can find us a water line. Okay. I'll also open that other door just to air her out a little bit. Wow. Even condensation in the headlight right there. Oh, this was in great shape. She was, I mean, she's been washed and cleaned, so that we're not going to find anything, any lines or anything right here. How wet? This is wet. It's coming up, and the foam they have under here is pretty thick. So, what about in here? This is kind of dry. This is wet. That's wet. So let's go to the engine compartment and see if we can determine how high the water is. I would love to have this. And I have a friend down in Miami, Big Al. If you haven't seen his channel, check it out. He loves flood cars, especially if they are from GM. He buys all kinds of cheap. He's been on a buying spree too, I think, because he's down there and all of the flood vehicles are down there too. Okay, let's take a look at the oil. It's a little bit high. It is a little high. This has all been cleaned. This has all been cleaned. What you can do though is kind of look down in here and see if you see any debris or sand or anything. Just kind of look around. Sometimes right in through here you can see. As I can't really, I don't know. See, we've got some corrosion starting right there. The hood looks mysteriously clean too. Yep, this says that 4.3 VVTi. I just changed the belt on the Lexus LS430, which is running fantastically. Let's just see what's going to happen. Okay, we have a key. Ooh, this is nice. Lexus, Tampa Bay. So this is probably a Tampa car. And nothing. Yeah, she may be waterlogged. I can't see the 41689, 41,000 miles on this car. 41,689. Yeah, there's nothing happening. So, look how gorgeous this wood is though. We'll put this over so it doesn't scratch the seats. Doggone it. I really want this car. I do, but oh, look how cool that is. Yeah, it opens, push this, and that comes out, and you got your two cup holders right there. Wood is in beautiful condition. This car has been cleaned. Someone really did clean it, which kind of has me scared. So I think this has been just a disaster, this video right here. I'm sorry. It's just not working out the way I had planned. Let's look in the trunk real quick. Man, of course they played golf. This is wet. This is wet. Ooh, they had some good golf clubs too. Pings. They used to be really, really, really good. Let's look in here. Sometimes I forget to, oh. Yep, there we go. So the water got to at least the floorboard of the trunk, which is pretty high, actually. So all the electronics below, that's a thing there. So if it got up to here, Here's the scratch right there. That's the whole engine almost underwater. So we're gonna have to really think about this one. Well, I failed you this time. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, I tried to find 3 really cool cars and nothing would happen with them. That's okay. Such is life, such is luck, such is a Copart walk around video. You take the good with the bad, you smile and you keep stepping forward. You keep moving on, keep on keeping on. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching the video. I certainly appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed, please do. That would just make my day. Please leave a comment, like and share the video. What else can you do for me? You can go over to Instagram and subscribe. You can go to TikTok and subscribe. I just make little videos over there. I just cut these in little pieces and make videos over there. But thank you. I'm glad that you're with me on this journey as we get to 100,000 subscribers, trying to find cars like that. All right, everybody. Goodbye.